Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing issue 7. We're going to be moving on to stage 21 here of the Ecto-1 build. You will need the chassis that you have put together so far, and of course you'll need your parts, which we have right here. So let's open it up and see what we got. And here are the parts that we get with this issue. We've got the middle chassis frame, the propeller shaft cover, a couple of slip yokes, and 2 universal joints along with some screws. All right, to begin, we're going to be looking at the underside of the chassis we've built so far, and make sure that your oil pipes here are actually fully in the groove here, or this piece will not fit. And you can take the middle chassis frame, make sure you've got the solid flat side facing upwards, and you just slide it into place just like so. We can attach it on either side here using EM screws. All right, with that fully attached, you're going to want to flip your chassis over. And you're going to want to put 4 CM screws here and here. All right, with those screws in place, we're actually done with the chassis for a little while, so we can actually put this to the side. And now we can start building the propeller shaft. First, you want to take the propeller shaft and the propeller shaft cover here. You're going to want to fit them together, and it looks like it will go either way. So you just put them together like that, so you get a nice long pipe. And you've got 4 screw holes here, and you'll be using IP screws to attach it. Alright, once you have your propeller shaft assembled, we can start assembling the slip yokes. And you're going to want to do this twice. Take your universal joint and you just slide it in like so. You want it facing left and right as much, as close to even as you can. And on the top and bottom, you'll attach it with IP screws. All right, now you may have noticed that I left some slack on both the top and bottom screws on both of these. When we attach these to the propeller shaft in the next stage, I'll be able to tighten these up, and it'll be easier to make sure it's nice and straight. So we can move on to that stage, and basically what you want to do is just slide these in, and again, IP screws on the left and right on both sides. And there you have it. The propeller shaft is complete. And that completes stage 21 of the Ecto-1 build. And there you have it. Stage 21 is complete. I don't know about you guys, but the more of this we put together, the more excited I am about what comes next. If you liked the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Have a great day.